been a while. I know you're thinking the same, but I've been feeling like a moment can't go to waste.
Hello guys and welcome, Larry here once again, and today we have another budget device with me, this one from Nokia. And when you talk about budget phones of 2019, the Nokia 2.3 must be in the list. And I just got the device, I've been using it for a while. I want to show you guys what's inside the box and you guys to know what I think about this device, because it packs a lot, and also there's certain things that are expected to be in the device that are not there. But we'll discuss all about that in this video. Without any further delay, let's get straight into the unboxing video. So right here I have the device pack with me. The Nokia brand name is boldly written on it, and we can see the device itself with the Nokia logo. Well, now it's in colored. At the back of the device you find the basic description. First of all, you find that it's Android 10 ready. That means it's the device that's expecting Android 10 update anytime soon. It's also a 6.2 HD plus display with a 19:9 aspect ratio. It also has a dedicated Google Assistant button, a 13 megapixel and a 2 megapixel dual rear camera. It also has a 5 megapixel front facing camera with 2-day battery life, which is at 4000 mAh battery. It's a 2 gig RAM and also a 32 gig inbuilt memory with memory card slot. It also has a face unlock system, which is for the biometric security. That's quite interesting. So at the bottom left of the device, you also see an icon stating it is an Android One device. This means that this device gets updates straight from Google themselves. So let's go straight into the unboxing. First of all, you notice you get the device facing you once you unbox the device. We'll look at this later. Putting that aside, you find your ejector pin safely placed in a spot where you can't miss. Also, you find manuals in different languages. If you're interested in that, you can go ahead and read. You get the silicone case, which is almost all devices provide that right now. And you also get the wall charger, not a fast charger, just a normal adapter. You get the phone cable. Sadly, it's not a Type-C. Well, it's a budget device, so we don't have to complain. And finally, you get your earpiece, just normal earpiece. Taking the phone out the plastic bag, I notice it has an amazing grip, and I personally love this about the device. It feels metallic but made from plastic, which gives you this premium feel. I don't know how to say it, but you will notice it when you handle the device. It has an amazing feel when you hold it. Peeling this plastic sticker off the device, you see the notch. Samsung calls it the in-cell display. So let's power on the device and see what the device has in store for us. So here are some specifications I have not mentioned earlier. It is a 4G enabled device which comes with Android 9 Pie with a planned upgrade to Android 10 when it's released for this device by Google. Also, it supports memory card up to 500 gig. I tried this with my 128 gig memory card and it worked. So hopefully it works up to 500 gig, but we need 500 gigs anyway on this budget device. Looking at the processor, it comes with a MediaTek processor with a A22, also a quad-core CPU clocked at 2 GHz and a Power VR GPU. So when it comes to the camera quality of this device, the camera is okay. You don't expect much since it's a budget device, but the camera delivers. From the pictures I took, the camera delivers. You get a dual rear facing camera like I mentioned earlier, a 15 megapixel and a 2 megapixel for depth sensor. Also, you get a 5 megapixel front facing camera. Here are some pictures I took from the device and hope it gives you an idea of what to expect from the device. Hello guys, I just wanted you guys to see how the front facing camera video quality looks like and how well it represents your colors. Out here inside the car and it's very sunny, like the sun is at its highest at this point in time, so you can see that my hands are overexposed because of the direct sunlight. So this is how it represents your colors and this is how the audio sounds like. So one major fear people have with budget devices is how well it handles high-end games. Well, you don't expect the best from these devices as these are budget devices, but the CPU used and the chipset used on this device makes games operation go smoothly. You don't say that you want a high quality, you just have to reduce the settings. I was able to play PUBG on this device on low or medium settings with minimum lag, and I didn't even experience serious lag like that. So it's quite good for gaming also. So we're talking about what the device can do, the specifications, but we've not actually talked about the price of the device. I got this device from Jumia for about $37,000, which is a little bit shy of $100. Let's say $105, which is quite affordable when you look at it, and it comes with all these specifications and you are able to play games without experiencing any lag. Well, the only thing I don't like about this device is the device does not come with a fingerprint sensor. I'm not really comfortable with the facial unlocking system because this does not really work well in low light scenarios. You have to go through your PIN or your password, but apart from that, this device is rock solid. I must say it's rock solid. If you're planning on getting this device, nothing is stopping you because it has the battery, it has the hardware, and it has the build. So why not get this device? So guys, this is all I have for you regarding the Nokia 2.3 device. If you like the video, please click on the like button just below the video. If you love the content and you love to see more that I would love to create, please click on the subscribe button below, and just beside the subscribe button is the notification bell. Please click on the notification bell so you can get notifications whenever I upload a new video. So thank you very much. I remain Damilare. Thank you for watching.